I know you've been searching for methods to make money online, and you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll learn a new technique to earn money through PayPal by just liking and viewing videos online. What a handy and simple method to learn, right? But stick with me as we go because this is also amazing since it's open to everyone, regardless of where they are in the globe. It also takes no skills or experience at all. Just to be clear, this will not make you enormously wealthy, but it will surely help you pay your expenses. So please stick with me to the end. But before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Today, we'll be teaching you a new way to make money online. And without a doubt, I'll be introducing you to a new website called rapidworkers.com. Just type rapidworkers.com into your browser. As it says on their homepage, RapidWorkers is a crowdsourced carrier with over 100,000 employees. It also states that they assist individuals, small groups, and professionals in creating low-cost exposure and advertising and marketing campaigns to boost sales and improve their ranking backlinks. If you want to work on this website, go to the micro jobs that they have available. Pick the activity that you enjoy and the tasks that you want to complete, then submit proof, and you will earn money through this website, which you can cash out using PayPal Cash. Now, I'm attempting to show you how to sign up. Click this button to be taken to this page where you must fill out all of the required information, including your name, email address, password, and country. As you can see from the list of countries, they are willing to accept candidates from all over the world, demonstrating that this technique is well worth investigating. After that, you must confirm or verify that you are not a robot and you're essentially done with setting up your account. Remember the rules that they've set up for you and make it a point to follow them so that you can spend more time on the site, for example. You're not permitted to use VPN or any other type of hiding IP program. You are not permitted to use multiple records with the same IP. You're not permitted to use shared or public Wi-Fi. You're also not permitted to use the same IP with different sites. You're not allowed to handle tasks related to a country you're not from, so make sure you follow all of these rules. Remember, if you break any of these rules, you could be banned, so don't waste time trying to deceive the system again. Before we get to continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video, and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Once you've completed your profile, they'll ask you to confirm your email. Go to your email inbox and click the link in the email they've sent you. You can now check your record and simply sign it as shown on your dashboard. And on top of that, you can monitor many things such as your all-out store's absolute withdrawals and a variety of other things. So here are some things that I have apparently forgotten to mention to you. You can actually get paid $1 to $5 just for signing up, and the earning potential on this site is absolutely incredible. Furthermore, as you can see, when you look through the page, there are various tasks that you can do, each with its own installments. They are all very simple, and you can see the totality that you can obtain for each errand. When you look through the page, each of them only requires a few minutes of your time. Keep an eye out on tasks that aren't marked global or named by the country of your starting point, as it is a scam. Keep an eye out for the global one, especially if you recall that our center will be handling tasks that require you to like videos. So in the search bar here, type in YouTube and click on this button, after which you can sort the positions by how much money you can earn by completing them. Simply click on that and we'll be able to see the most profitable assignments. If you do it in this amount of time, and as you can see, it will link us to this page where we can read all of the information needed to finish this task. Now all you have to do is to follow the instructions to complete the assignment, and you'll be paid when you're through. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below and also hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.